A drone that can fire a sniper rifle while flying could be very useful in warfare. While these drones can be used in combat scenarios, they still need to be able to avoid being hit by the recoil of a marksman rifle or grenade launcher. In a video recorded in 2015, a US team demonstrated the use of a handgun mounted on a quadcopter drone. In his demonstration, he used the handgun to shoot the quadcopter drone, and the quadcopter drone physically got pushed back. Smash Dragon. The Smash Dragon drone is a prototype designed by Israeli company Smart Shooter that can fire a sniper rifle while flying. The device can use computer vision and proprietary target acquisition algorithms to hit moving targets with pinpoint accuracy. The system is designed to be lightweight and can be controlled remotely by an operator. It can also be mounted on a variety of unmanned aerial platforms. The Smash Dragon drone can fire a sniper rifle while flying and is capable of targeting moving and stationary targets. It also has advanced sensor technology to track targets and avoid a collision. Smart Shooter has completed live fire tests to prove its capabilities. The Smash Dragon drone is equipped with a Smash fire control system that increases the lethality and accuracy of small arms. This advanced system can also be mounted on different drones and incorporate different types of ammunition. The system also uses an innovative stabilization concept that allows it to strike moving targets while flying. The Smash Dragon drone can fire a sniper rifle while flying, and it can be equipped with a Smash Hopper system that allows the operator to fire a sniper rifle while flying. The drone has a weight of 15 kilograms and is easily controllable from a distance or protected vehicle. It also features day and night capability and automatic scanning. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for use in complex environments and allows easy deployment on various light platforms. Its design allows for easy integration with existing command and control systems. Smart Shooter has developed proprietary target acquisition and tracking algorithms for the Smash Dragon drone. These algorithms use computer vision to identify the target and release a shot when it sees the target. The Smash Dragon drone can mount various assault weapons, sniper rifles, and even 40mm grenade launchers. These weapons are aimed and fired with high accuracy and precision. While drones have been used for many military applications, many remain unmanned. However, they can be used for surveillance purposes. The Dutch Ministry of Defense announced the trial and hinted that the system may play a vital role in the future of warfare. Smash was initially introduced to the IDF in 2017 and approved for use by the military. After the IDF approved the system, it was offered to foreign militaries and law enforcement organizations. Smash also offers a flexible system that can handle wind-blown targets. Smart Shooter has also developed a drone system that can shoot random guns and is capable of handling different types of ammunition. The drone can also fire 40mm ammunition, which is useful for picking off intruders in Toyota Tundras. Rattlesnake. A Rattlesnake drone that can shoot a sniper rifle while flying is one of the most powerful drones in the game. With its tank, hull bonus, and multi-missile system, it has more than the average PvE drone. This makes it an excellent choice for players who want a long-range sniper or a brawler. There is also a Nesta drone that can fire missiles while flying. However, it can be expensive. The Rattlesnake has high base DPS, which varies depending on the damage mods applied to it and whether it's flying with a missile or without. The Rattler's damage can reach a maximum of 1400 DPS without a weapon mod, but a ballistic control system will only increase its missile damage. Another important factor to consider is the range of your drone. Generally, a sniper rifle can reach up to 120 kilometers, but if you are flying, the maximum capacity is only 110 kilometers. If you are using a sniper rifle and have enough range, it is possible to shoot cruise missiles or CNR from a distance of 110 kilometers. A homemade pistol-packing quadcopter was uploaded to YouTube in 2015. The recoil of a pistol can force small quadcopters to fly sideways and push them back, which is a huge disadvantage for smaller drones. So, a solution has been devised to counter this problem. Its makers at Duke Robotics, Inc. developed a robotic gimbal that keeps the weapon pointed in the correct direction. Additionally, the recoil is spread over a flexible plate to minimize its overall effect on the drone. In a way, this drone is like a sentry robot. Its armament can be enhanced with weapons that can shoot sniper rifles. The armament also allows the drone to be more agile, and this capability makes it better suited for infiltration missions. It can also use omnidirectional tracking links to change tracking scripts and optimize weapon ranges. The drone can stay at a range while the FC concentrates on his primary target. It can be used in large fleets, allowing the FC to focus on its primary target. The Rattlesnake drone is not the only drone with a sniper rifle. Its ability to fire a sniper rifle while it is flying makes it a powerful weapon that is useful for countering the Mordu's Legion.